in a small, very cloudy town. One girl must choose.
I could fall in love with a vampire. I would be safe with a werewolf. But what should I do?
This is Luna. She's new in town. She likes books. She hates rain. She loves grammar.
This town is strange. Everyone stares. I could leave, but I won't.
This is Edric. He is a vampire. He is 117 years old. He never sleeps.
Luna, I could read every book in the world. I could protect you. I could love you forever.
You could love me?
I use could for possibility. It is not sure. It may happen. It may not. This is Rowan. He is a werewolf. He runs fast. He is very warm.
Luna, I would stay with you. I would protect you. I would choose you every day.
You would choose me?
We use would for choices in imagined situations. It shows intention.
I could love Edric. I would be happy with Rowan. But what should I do?
We use should for advice. It is about the best choice.
I should think. I should be careful. I should finish my homework.
You should choose me. I don't age.
You should choose me. I don't sparkle.
I could choose either of you. I would like some space. You both should calm down.
Could equals possibility. I could love him. Would equals choice. Or imagined future. I would stay with her. Should equals advice. She should be careful.
I've decided. I should choose myself.
But could love return? Would they fight again? Should you watch the next episode?